feeding your curiosity, fueling our passion. Let's satisfy our quest for knowledge with today's question.
Yes, a bad alternator can ruin a battery. When an alternator is failing, it cannot charge the battery effectively, leading to undercharging or overcharging. Undercharging leaves the battery with insufficient power, while overcharging can cause battery overheating and damage. To prevent this, it's crucial to monitor your vehicle's charging system performance and address any issues promptly.
Another mystery solved, but many more await. Keep up with our daily discoveries by subscribing and turning on notifications.